I'm Allie Koch. I'm an artist, author, and I run my own business, Allie K Design. My purpose is to build confidence in others through art. I can proudly say that my 7 published books have helped achieve that confidence in many people all over the world. My mentor sessions are shaped to flex your confidence muscles and to make you be top of mind in digital marketing strategies. But for that, you first have to be true to yourself, your style, and true to the way you connect with others. With the right mindset, it's easy to identify your ideal clients, connect with them, and turn them into paying customers. In this Domestika course, you will learn what it means to be top of mind in marketing and networking as you expand your style while being true to yourself. For the final project, you will produce a pitch deck that will help you show who you are as a professional in a fresh, eye-popping way. First, I will help you define your style and the reasons why you should be top of mind. Next, I'll help you find your why, your purpose, and your strengths. I will then talk to you about the importance of being true to yourself. There might be a lot of people doing what you do, but no one is you. I'll show you what it looks like to become top of mind and how to stay top of mind. We will go over the benefits of multiple streams of income and how to jumpstart your way in creating those streams. I will talk about how your personality should show up in everything that you do. Luckily for us, we have a free social media tool like Instagram to show off that personality and to help you sell in a way that feels natural. Finally, I will show you how to make your target audience root for you. By the end of this course, you will be able to create a self-marketing system so you can be the first person on anybody's radar needing a product or service. For this course, you will need an Instagram account and access to a computer, phone, or iPad. Knowledge of Procreate or Adobe Illustrator is recommended. You want to be the person that others know and remember first. Become top of mind.